Hi everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. This is a 5-minute non-stop breathing exercise which you can use daily. It might be short, but it's killer. You're gonna feel your abs for sure. This exercise is perfect for air management and your stamina. We're going to do breathe in, breathe out and let's do it if you're ready. Let's start with breathe in and breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it up. Almost there. Four, 3, 2, 1. And now with the S. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it up. Almost there. Four, 3, 2, 1. And now faster. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch to S. 4, 3, 2, now. Almost done. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's speed up. Breathe in, breathe out. 4, 3, 2, now. And now let's switch to S. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Almost. 4, 3, 2, 1. Faster. Breathe in, breathe out. And let's switch to S. 4, 3, 2, 1. last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's switch. 4, 3, 2, now. And 4,